What's up guys? Today we're going to talk about the best drone in my opinion for wedding videography. And also, can I just say that my hair is getting way too long. Like look at this. It's just, I'm really hoping barbers open back up soon. But anyways, let's get straight into the video. You guys hear that? I don't know why, but I absolutely love the way that ting just sounds when it goes off. So anyways, without missing a beat, let's jump straight into the video. So my personal opinion, the best drone that a person can buy for wedding videography is the DJI Mavic Air. And the reason for that is because it is one of the most compact, portable, and inconspicuous drones that you can use for any scenario. Not to mention the fact that it does not compromise in quality and that setup and teardown time is under 2 minutes. On top of the fact that it's already inconspicuous, so you can launch it, take it up into the air, start flying around the entire wedding venue and no one's gonna even notice that you're flying. That's how incredible and impressive this drone is. So now let's go a little bit into the specs and start figuring out why exactly I recommend this drone so much. So now, the drone itself is advertised to be able to fly up to 42.5 miles per hour. It says that its maximum distance you can fly away from the controller and still have connectivity is about 2.5 miles. I usually find that I start having issues around 1.5 miles. It has 8 gigabytes of storage in the actual drone itself without an SD card, which is fantastic because if you forget a micro SD card, but you already know you have at least about, in my experience, about 10 to 15 minutes of actual footage before you run out of space. And trust me, if you've been doing this for a while, you know for a fact that you are going to forget your SD card at some point in time. The drone itself weighs under a pound. It has a 12 megapixel CMOS sensor, and it can shoot 4K 30 frames per second or 24, as well as 120 frames 1080p. And for me personally, I've always ever shot in 30 frames a second 4K because I've never needed anything slower than that. But if you ever needed it, you know you got it. The maximum flight time is advertised as 21 minutes. I've always found that I usually can get 18 to 20 minutes depending on wind conditions. And yeah, that's a little bit about the specs of the Mavic Air. So now let's talk about a little bit about the portability of the drone itself. This is by far one of the easiest and straightforward drones I've ever used my entire life. It can become so compact that it can literally fit in your own pocket, and it's just easy to set up, and it takes under 2 minutes to get it fully assembled and up in the air from my experience. So now that we covered a little about the drone, I'm gonna include some example shots of some of the videos I've captured over the years with this drone and let you kind of see if this is something you might want to get into. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I made sure to link the drone down in the description below, which by the way, the link is non-affiliated, so I'm not actually profiting from this at all. With all that being said, that's gonna wrap up this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.